Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on pairing an Xbox controller with an iPhone or iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by turning on your Xbox controller. Then activate pairing mode by holding down the sync button until the guide light starts flashing. Now on your iPhone, open the Settings app. In Settings, select Bluetooth. Under Other Devices, your Xbox controller should appear here. Tap it to start pairing it. The Xbox controller is now synced to the iPhone. It can be used to play compatible games. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.